The points on a scatter diagram follow a linear pattern. A straight line can be used as a model for the relationship. And the line of best fit is the straight line that best models the relationship. We are going to see that in example 2. On page 135, a question goes, a company would like to predict what the sales of their new shops are going to be. The yearly sales of 9 of the existing shops are shown, and they are known and shown, and the sizes of the population of the towns in which each shop is sited are found. The size of the town X in thousands and the sales Y in £1,000 are given in the table below. The table that is on the board shows that the town size, it means, for example, in town A, if we could take this to be town A, there are 18,000 people, and the sales for that particular town in that shop is £48,000. The population of town B is 26,000, and the sales is £62,000, all the way until the last town. And then the question says, draw the scatter diagram for this data and draw by eye the line of best fit through the points. Of course, we have the value of x, which is the independent variable, and we have the value of y, which is the dependent variable. The scatter diagram talks of, we have the y-axis and we have the x-axis. The least value of y, as we can see, is around 48. So we can start with 40 here all the way. The highest value is around 76. So we can have 40, we can have 50, we can have 60, we can have 70, and we can have 80. This is the sales. These are the sales now. What about the town size X? Town size. The town size X. The least, as far as we are concerned, is actually 18, and the highest could be around 50 something, 54. So we could start with, let's say 10, let's say 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. For town A, the scatter diagram is 18,000 people. In a town where we have 18,000 people, the sales were 48,000. Remember, both are in thousands. Both are in thousands. So 18 and 48, around there. The second town, 26 and 62. 26 and 62, around there. The other one is 2853. 2853, around there. 2853, around there. This is 2662. The other one is 3665. 36 there, or around there. 3665. We can talk about that point. The other one is 4872. 48 and 72, all the way up to around there. The other one could be 5270. 5270. There we go. The other one is 5473. 5473. Somewhere there. The other one is 6076. 60 and then 76. Somewhere there. And the final one is 5050. 50, 50, 50, 50. Of course, you can easily draw the line of best fit, because the question is talking about draw the scatter diagram for this data and draw by eye the line of best fit through the points. you can easily see that the line of best fit can pass through those points, whereby there's a general positive correlation between the size of the town and the sales that are realized in that town. But I would want you to focus on this particular point. It is far away from what we generally expect. It's far away from the line of best fit. It could be probably either the commodity that is sold by this particular company is not very popular in that town, because you can see so many people but very limited sales, or probably the data was not taken properly. But of course, I want us to concentrate on the line of best fit, which actually captures exactly what happens in most of the towns. All right.